Hi, welcome to our online training course on radiographic testing, level 1 and 2. This course would, at the end of this course, you receive a certificate of completion that certifies that you have gone through the required training to attend the exam for level 2. It also includes the general and the specific exam. Also, it certifies that you passed the general and specific exam. As you know, radiographic testing has got 3 exams, general, specific, and practical. So it has 7 hours of video, 54 lectures, 250 mock and exam questions, 200 flashcards with 4 months, 24/7 course access. And there will be a free renewal if you could not pass the general or a specific exam. So according to ASNT, section 7.1, 2020 edition, the organized training may include instructor-led training, personalized instruction, virtual instructor-led training, computer-based training, or web-based training. And to be directly qualified as a RT level 2, you need 80 hours of classroom training. This online course would partially satisfy the requirements in the sense that we give you a certification at the end of the course, certifying that you have completed your classroom training and also passed the general and specific exam. And if you wish to be an internationally recognized RT level 2, then you can book with us in one of our course schedules across the world. And we shall hold just 1-day classroom training for practical and hold the exam, which would take between 1 to 2 hours. And then if you successfully pass the practical part as well, you shall receive an internationally recognized RT level 2. This course contains NDT certification, talks about NDT certification, sample procedure report, written practice, all about radiographic testing, film processing, welding process and defects, and ASME section 5, article 1 and article 2, general requirements, and article 2, which is about RT. As you know, ASME section 5 is about the code, NDT code. So all the reports and procedures and should be according to ASME section 5. Metallurgy, manufacturing and fabrication, casting and forging, you should be able to know because according to, this covers all the topical outlines for qualification of non-destructive testing personnel and the ASNT CP 105. So it complies with that, also this course material. And at the end, you receive a certificate confirming that you have completed the training course for RT level 2 and passed the general and specific exam in the subject of as per ASNT TC1A and ANSI CP 106, both to 2020 edition. Now, what happens if you fail any of these tests? Because minimum pass grade is 70% and you can only allowed to do it once. We will reset the course for you and you're allowed to do it once more free of charge. But the course, I believe, is so user-friendly and so in-depth explained that there is very little chance of you failing our exam. The practical training will be for 1 day. If you do a classroom training on a conventional way, you have to do 80 hours of training and then do the practical, general, and specific. So that's probably like 11 days of training and exam. Here we just do 1 day, and the reason is that all of the theory side of it, plus the general and specific exam, already you have achieved, and you only need to attend our classroom for practical and do a practical exam, which takes anything between 1 to 2 hours. So that would save you considerable time and money. plus the training cost and all the, travel cost and hotel accommodation and be out of the work and all that. So we also, you can always contact us through WhatsApp. You can write to us or contact us through WhatsApp for technical queries. Myself, I'm leading the level 3 team with 3 other gentlemen. So any technical question, anything you did not understood, please let me know. And any general queries, any access issues, payment issues, you can contact Moss. And you can also write to us, help@inspectortraining.com. Let's go and see what this course involves. The first part is about NDT certification. So what is a level 1 and 2 and 3? What is a trainee? The eye test, the test, and then it follows with a flashcard, and then as we go through the Module 2, you can see the written practice and certification procedure. We'll go through this, what a certification procedure looks like for training, qualification, and certification of personnel. It's very extensive, as you can see here. All the syllabus, the scope, definitions, basic education you should have, who is the employer, and then there is a sample procedure and report that we go on RT. So you should, and all these lessons, each one of them has got a video like the present one that we will be going through and explaining to you. So it's very user-friendly. And then on Module 3, we go through application, training, certification, basic knowledge, half-life, density, sensitivity and scatter, geometric and sharpness, atomic structure, isotopes and half-life. And as you can see, this is about half-life. And then energy, intensity, absorption, subject and film contrast, radiographic techniques, film processing techniques, radiation hazard, safe working practices, radiation detection instruments. As you can see, this is about radiographic techniques, so single wall, single image, and is another. And it all comes with pictures, pictorials, and plus videos. And then we go through sensitivity, I&II, exposure, and interpretation, finally. On Module 4, we will be talking about radiographic films, processing and artifacts, and then also well defects, what it looks visually and what it looks, if it is surface well defects, and what it looks if it's internal or inherent on the radiograph. And then on Module 5, we'll be talking about ASME Section 5. With after the introduction, there is a extensive terms and definition. And that also, every single one comes with a video and explanation. And then we'll be talking about Article 1, the general requirements, and Article 2, RT, on ASME Section 5. And then there is also another introductory on RT. And then it follows 9 sets of flashcards. All the highlights of RT are brought here. And because you should know about metallurgy, casting, and forging, according to ANSI CP 105, manufacturing process, casting, forging, welding processes are explained, the 8 popular welding processes. And then there is a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation on defects, repairs, pipe and plate inspection, and visual inspection. As you can see here, or welding inspection, sorry. These are all the popular welding processes that we'll be talking about, and then complete with videos and pictures. And if I take one of them, the PowerPoint presentation, you may see that how it looks like. So once you have finished the actual course, you'll be directed towards the general knowledge and general and specific practice tests. There are 5 of them, and they are timed. So I've already started this course, so there is 54 minutes left, and it comes with a flag of button, and also you can jump from question to question. It's timed like the actual exam, and you can see the answer here. So you can move to the next one, um, and once you have finished this, then once you know that you're prepared for the actual exam, you can only take this exam once only. Please bear in mind, and then you have to do it within the stipulated time. There are 40 questions on general and 20 questions for a specific paper. If you fail this, you will be reset the whole thing once. But it's so explanatory that self-explanatory, all this course material that we think, there is hardly any chance of you not passing or failing unless you have read through this properly or studied this. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please let us know. We have WhatsApp line, and we have email. You can email us by clicking this button. It will take you directly to your email. Thank you.